This your shit, ain't it? No.
We got action.
Deep the fuck out this bitch.
They got security too.
I am the security. Hey! Get back in the circle! Hold on! This shit going. Nah, bitch. You better like I brought you outside, hoe. Come run up here. She might be this bitch.
Let me get in that hole.
Who on her? I bet you want to take the club. I bet you want to take them bitches.
Hey, back on that way.
Back up. We can't see. Back up. Y'all 12 again. Walking through this bitch. He got out. He's fucking retarded. He got out. He crazy fuck. He got out.
This is Hines County Sheriff.
Oh. Hey, he crazy fuck. Hey, we. Yeah, I got these folks out this Sunday trip. Man. What the fuck? I got them out of
Another one.
I got them out of
I just seen him when he walked through.
Nah, you finna fall.
Oh, God.
What? Burn you?
Whoa.
Bitch, that's low.
Whoa,
Hey, they got some free. Oh yeah, we good because the park spot's still here. Ah! Man, I don't know, bitch. They on the live. Oh shit, I'm getting hit by a bush, bitch. She said hit me by a bush. Hey, just go. They gonna get all right. You wanna go out there? Hey, 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 you wanna go fucked up 12 again.
Go on, bro. They doing
They got nothing to do.
We putting their ass to work today.
Yeah, let me see what we doing.
She need to bring
That's
that
that girl.
Oh my.
Oh, she ain't that.
Hey, we be going.
Okay, well, how y'all night went tonight?
It was very excellent.
Okay.
Again, Sunday. Next Sunday.
Oh, we back out there?
Sunday.
And we don't even go to Sunday church, but they want to go again. Okay.
Love Sunday.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Let me tell y'all, they can see us.
I
Yes.
wonder if there's some police behind me. It is.
Oh, wait.
For real?
Hold on, wait.
Sunday church was very fun on
It was
Sunday.
overly
We saw people getting car accidents. We almost got hit by a car, and we almost got hit by a train.
Oh, wait, yes.
Tell everybody.
We almost got hit by a train.
We definitely almost got hit by a train, but we made it out saying so fuck
The
it.
train almost hit
We
me.
really got
what the
9
fuck were
lives.
they trying to do?
Oh. Is that something over there? That's that car we seen?
No, that ain't no police behind me.
But yeah, y'all, we gonna run this shit back.
Yeah, we're definitely running it back.
So next Sunday is a plan. So I need to.
But
we're
I'm gonna make
definitely
sure.
running back.
I mean, if it's I might have to work, but if I get off it, I get off it. 8:30 will still be there. It just won't be at 7.
Come on, man.
But that schedule ain't came out
You go
yet.
from work with your work clothes.
Fuck no. But nah.
Yeah, tonight was very eventful. You know, we
got hit by a train.
No, we did not get hit by no train. The young niggas was down. They was loaded. They was locked and loaded and shit. But they was chill though. They was chill.
We saw one girl talking so big shit.
they
She
got
got
the
her
fight.
ass beat.
Then they had a boxing match.
We saw 2 niggas scramble.
I fuck with that one.
They was
It was a tie, and then we saw a girl walking around in a circle talking about who need that. The whole time she got her ass whooped.
Yeah, after she needed that.
And then guess what? Let me tell y'all the end. This is the wild part. It was a bitch yelling, talking about some baby. Guess who look? I mean, nobody.
Why would you even clip that out? She's gonna clip that.
I'm gonna clip that out.
She's definitely gonna clip that. She has no choice.
I might put it in there.
They was biting. They was outside biting.
Yeah, that was biting. They was biting. We don't need to be outside.
Don't know why it went through.
You good?
I'm putting the wig on next time.
That's what I'm saying.
Twins.
Give me another.
Twin them.
Give me another. Yeah, this thing fine.
But yeah, y'all, that's how we ended our night. And it's 1:50.
It got cut short.
Yes.
Police was all out.
They was, y'all gonna see, oh shit, she be forgetting what the fuck going on.
They be at every location. They know all the locations.
Y'all need to switch up y'all location. Go to Terra Road or some shit next. I don't know. Switch up the motherfucking location though. Exactly. But we gone cause we finna go home. Somebody gotta go to work. Somebody gotta go be up. Everybody
gotta do something.
Something and we fucking up.
Hell yeah, I got
We young and turned
interview tomorrow.
We young and turned though. Shit.
Hell yeah.
So young and turned.
She old as fucking turn first be young. Okay.
But these bitches in my business cut me off, choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep